Hello. Embarking on broiler farming doesn't require vast spaces or significant investment. Starting small allows you for manageable growth and learning. If you are a broiler farmer or you want to go into poultry farming and you have decided that you want to farm on broilers, you don't need to buy the whole land in your area before you start. Stop procrastinating and start now. That little space in your backyard, that space in your kitchen, that space between your kitchen and your toilet can still serve as a space for broiler. Just start with few birds. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 birds is good enough to start. Many big farms you are seeing today started with only 10 birds, and today they can even hatch thousands of birds in a day. So start small. Watch this video. I'm going to give you step by step on how to start small. You can see one of my fans just started from a bathroom. He started from a bathroom, little space in a bathroom, about 3 by 4 square meters. He started and he's growing. You can see how he's growing significantly. So start now. Watch this video till the end. And if this topic interests you, please give it a thumb up, like, and drop your comments on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video on the comment section. And if you want to go into broiler farming, let me know on the comment section. And what is keeping you from going into poultry farming business, let me know also on the comment section. Share the video to your platforms, your groups, and your friends and other farmers to learn from it. Thank you for watching. Let's get into the main video.
You can see this is just a bathroom, and we have here he started with, count the number of birds. They are not even up to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 birds, 10 broiler birds. You can see these birds are 1 month old. You can see that they are growing fast because they have enough space, and he started with little birds that he can cater for, not overfilling the whole spaces with chicken, and you cannot feed them well. Right away you can see he started with even no investment. He doesn't even have enough feeders or drinkers. He just started with the same flat feeder he started with the old. Up to 1 month they are still eating on the same flat feed, which is wrong, but because he doesn't have enough capital to buy other equipment, he started small. For the profit he made from this, he start buying other equipment. This is where he started. You can see how they are growing now. You can see more birds are coming with the next batch. That is how you grow your business. From backyard to business, starting broiler farming in small space. This is the title topic for this particular video. This is the journey from the modest beginning to a thriving enterprise, appealing to aspiring poultry farmers with limited space. It aligns with current interest in sustainable and small-scale farming practices. For practical insight and initiative poultry ideas, please watch this video to the end. From backyard to business, starting broiler farming in small space. Do you dream of starting a broiler farm but have little space and no money or little money? Don't worry, you won't need a big land to begin. Start small, learn fast, and grow big. This guide will show you how to start broiler farming in a small space and expand over time. The first step is choose a small space. Even your backyard, your kitchen line, the space in between your kitchen and your bathroom, even your bathroom. If you're not using that bathroom, you can just use that small space there and start. So any vacant room, any vacant space in your compound that is not used, that you're not making use of now, can be converted to broiler house. Your backyard, your garage, and you use the garage and you don't have any car parking there, that space is a waste.
Produce cobalt
and start broiler farming.
Olam hatchery, produce COP 500.
Step 2, start with few birds. When you start with few birds, it will give you ample opportunity to feed them well within your financial limits. But when you stop over your budget, you may not feed them well and they will not grow well, and likely you are failing. So it's better you start with few birds. Begin with 20, 10, 20 or 50 broilers to learn before scaling up your production. Use affordable housing. Don't start with that little space. Any vacant space in your house is a liability to you. That space is there and you're not making use of it. Start with it today. Later you build a low-cost pen using wood or bamboo or cages.
And they have
Manage
another
feed
farm
wisely.
address in
Buy
Ibadan,
quality feed in small amounts to avoid
Ibadan
waste.
Lagos Expressway.
Keep
Ibadan,
water
Oyo
and
State.
ventilation
They
right.
produce
Fresh
Abu
air
Plus.
flow and clean
Farm
water.
support.
Keep birds hedged
Location:
always.
Oyo State, Ibadan.
Reduce costs with organic
Produce
supplements.
Abu Aka.
All those weeds
Seed Farm
around their
Limited.
houses, around their backyard, in their
Ibadan,
backyard
Oyo
farm,
State. They produce
please
roasting eggs.
convert them to
Feed and hatcheries.
organic medications and
Location:
boosters for your poultry.
Kaduna State.
Don't buy any
They produce
medication
Hobart.
from the market. All those grasses
Olam
weeds
Hatchery.
are
Location:
medicinal
Kaduna
plants
State.
that you
They
can use
produce
to
COP
boost your broiler
500.
growth, weight, and
PG Farms.
health wise.
Location: Oyo State. They produce COP 500. Basanjo
Reduce costs
Farms.
with organic supplements. Use
Location:
all those
Pata,
kitchen
Ogun
waste,
State.
all those banana peas, plantain
sir.
peas, orange peas,
In this
groundnut
video,
peas,
what are the characteristics
onion peas, and rest of
all
them that
these
you generate from your
varieties?
kitchen, cassava
Let's
peas.
start with
Convert them to
500
usable poultry feed.
COP
So instead
500.
of buying costly
Root
food
one.
raw materials
Which
from the
market
market,
way
you now use all those waste
from
from
a
your kitchen
reputable
to
hatchery.
feed them.
With
Then
excellent
you buy little
broiler
quantity
feed
of commercial feed. You can see this water here. You can see the color of this water is greenish in color.
fast
We tell you that this is
of
pure
high
organic plants
quality
inside. This is
for
herbs, organic
producing
herbs.
lean
You can see that
good
from this
and
area, you can see that
profitability.
the poultry farm is growing from 10 birds to the farm is growing. This farm is inside the room. You can see the wall is painted to show you that this is inside the room. The important food that's not useful, he started using it, started converting them to poultry house. And right now they are growing. From here you start buying land and other spaces to make sure it grows bigger. Than starting big and falling down. So better you start in small. Reinvest your profit always. Use your first sales to buy more birds and more equipment to grow your farm.
And feed efficiency.
Please don't start eating your profit immediately.
They have high meat
Sell
yield
smart.
with good breast
Start with neighbors, restaurant and local market
They are
before
known
expanding.
for disease resistance
All those your
and
neighbors within their neighborhood, tell them that you have
different
broilers.
rearing
They will start buying you, they will start patronizing you, and they will start telling their friends outside also
Marshal
to
growth
come and
rate
patronize
slightly
you.
slower,
With them you have a very good market.
rated
Keep good relationship with them.
lower compared to
Now
other
monitor
commercial
and learn.
breeds.
Keep record of
Meat
feeding
yield, known for
growth
good
and
breast
profit
meat quality
to improve.
and
Expand gradually.
tall
Please don't
structure.
use
They are
all the
very tall in
whole
nature.
money and
adaptability.
convert it to land
They are
or
adaptable
space.
to
No.
various environmental conditions
Gradually
and management
acquire
systems.
spaces.
Hobart is the next breed.
Expand gradually, please.
Growth rate,
Once you succeed,
efficient growth
increase
with
birth
good
number
feed
and space
conversion
over
ratio.
time.
Meat
Don't
yield, balanced
rush
meat distribution with good
invest
breast
in
and
equipment
meat
immediately
development.
because it can
Adaptability. They are
wipe
known
away your
for
profit
robustness
and at the same time bring you back to square one.
to different
So
climates and
everything should be in
practices.
gradual process, please. Then grow until you go to this level.
Understanding
you are
these
seeing here now.
characteristics can
That
help
is my wish for you.
you
And
as a
if you
poultry
find it
farmer
very interesting and
select
effective,
the most stable
inspiring,
breed for
please
their specific
let me know on the comment section
goals
what you think about
and
this particular
environmental
video,
condition.
how you can start
Right
small.
now,
If you are not
we have
starting yet,
known
what is
different
holding you today? Tell me what is holding
in
you.
Nigeria,
Let me give you the
their
educational
location
way of growing
and
from little
the parent
to
stock
bigger
they have
farm.
and the breed
We
of
started with
broilers
little
they
chicken and
produce.
today we are
Right now,
hatching
it is easier for
thousands
you
of
to
chickens
make
weekly.
selections.
So that's how you
Anytime
start.
you want to book your
Just
DOTs,
don't
stop
start
asking
the race
for
with two legs at the same
the
time, or
company. Now you
don't jump
cannot
with two
ask
legs at the same
directly.
time.
Give
Start
me
with
social company because
one
of
step
social
ahead
breed.
and
And if you
gradually
mention
go
the
from
company,
there.
also mention the breed of
share
broiler
this
because
video
some
with small
companies
farmers to encourage them
have
to
more
start.
than one breed
Many
of
are there
broiler
wishing
stock.
I will
Therefore,
start
they
this year,
produce
I
more
will
than
start
one breed
2020.
of broiler
2020 has
breeds.
passed, 2022 has passed, 2022 has
tell them
passed,
the breed
2023
and
has
the
passed.
company you
We are
want
2025
based on this particular video.
here
So,
now, and we are
if you have
seeing
any question again
procrastination.
concerning this topic,
Those that started
or
before are even
broiler,
going back. Some poultry
please
farms are
drop it in the
already
comment
static.
section.
Nothing is inside.
Or if you
So
have
not
any
even
issue
lizard have taken
with
over the
the
whole
breed of
place
broiler you have
because
now,
of technical
drop it in the
know-how.
comment section.
They
Also, I
fail
will
to
also
get
advise
the
you
knowledge
and
on
answer
how
you
to
professionally.
progress in the business.
Thank you for
This
watching
is one
this
of the
video.
problems many
Please
farmers are
subscribe
facing.
to the channel if
Please
you have not
use this video
subscribed.
to cure
And
yourself
make sure you
today
subscribe
and
to
deliver
our both
yourself from
channels.
this
Search for our
bondage
both
of
channels.
trying and error,
I will add the link to the
every
particular
day
video so
you're in the
that
same
you know
position.
the other
You go
channels.
today,
Subscribe
next week
because
there will be
I
no
share
chicken.
my videos on daily and I upload
Next
on
week there will
daily
be no
basis.
chicken. It is a
2
bad.
or more videos on daily
Please
basis,
clear yourself
and
today
each
and
of the
deliver
video
yourself
goes to
with this video. Thank you for
different
watching.
channels. I
Let's
don't
comment.
upload 2
Let's
videos
drop
for
a
one
comment about
channel.
this video. What
So,
you think about this video?
subscribe
Are you
to
ready to
both
start?
channels
Have you
so that you
started?
get
Or what is holding you? Let
on
me know on
daily
the comment
basis.
section. For
Thank
now,
you
I
for
say
watching.
bye.
Share the video, like and comment. For now, I say bye.